Alright, so it looks like we might be live. Hopefully we are. Guess we'll find out. What's going on? All right. I think we in there, right? There we go. New computer is up and running. Official, officially official. Good deal. Yeah. Just took a few days to get everything transferred over and, that whole deal. But, yeah, new computer set up. And I'll go ahead and share this to our Facebook page. That's cool. Good. Looks pretty good. I need to send over a couple pictures. Said turn up the volume. All right. Let's see if we can do that. I'll just move my mic closer. How about that? And if you're just now joining us, if this is your first time tuning in, make sure you jump over to the #1 Bitcoin group in the world. Not that one. That's a fake one. Don't join that one. Just type in #1 Bitcoin group in the world. We got about 25,000 members. And I will copy and paste this link to send it to everyone in the chat as well. Bam, bam. There you go. So we're still receiving these documents. How's everybody doing in the markets and everything? What's going on, Shirley from Maryland? Good to see you. the mic was muted. That's my bad. I'm just not looking at this stuff, but yeah, it does look like the sound is really, really low. Let me fix that real quick. System devices, apps, boom, 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 boom. I think it's system. What? Audio. What setting is the audio on and on Windows? Power, sleep, battery, storage. Oh, here we go, devices. Bluetooth, typing. Audio. Hey, Seth. Don't come in here shilling for no broken, desperate government talking about taxes. All we got to do is Google how not to pay taxes, and we got the government beat. This is free knowledge available to anybody. If you want to give your government your money away to a broken, desperate government, that's on you. Don't come in here shilling about get ready for it, because it's really not hard to get ready. All you need to do is get Google. Yeah, this thing keeps freezing, and you know what it is? It's Microsoft's last update. It's like Microsoft 10 that this computer freezes now. It really sucks. So I guess that is my voice coming through okay on this microphone? I guess that's the biggest thing, because I can just go to, you know, this view. I can take my computer off. If my voice is coming okay, I guess that's all that really matters. Is my voice coming through good? But yeah, this is I gotta after I wanted to get all of this stuff updated, and then I'm a downgrade to Windows 7, because Windows 10, like it's a known thing to where it just like stalls out. You know, I guess they got too much spyware on this thing, reporting back to Big Brother that it just literally freezes their own system. It's, you know, ridiculous. But yeah, let's just roll with that. Oh, tax season. Yeah, the returns. I ain't got a tax return. Yeah, I guess I do. But my goal is not to get any tax return ever. Because if you get a tax return, I mean, you gave your money away at 0% interest for a whole year. So, we got that. Let's go over here. Boom, boom. Let's get out of this one. Let's go back. So is my voice good on this thing then? Just let me know what's going on. I appreciate it. Preach. I thought you were whispering. No, I think it's the audio setting on this mic. Hold on. Maybe if I do this. How about that? This might be better. I don't know. If it's not, you know, I'll fix it for the next time. That's for sure. All right, let's do this. Got that. Boom, boom. We might have already hit the bottom, and that's what I'm going to talk about during this video. Music. I'm just trying to find this file. Goodness gracious. Oh my God. I do not want Cortana whatsoever. It's painful. I know. Trust me, it's painful for me too. Where in the hell is it? Why isn't it? I just sent a file over Bluetooth. Where'd it go? Oh, documents. Great. Users, me, documents. All right. There we go. Look at that. All right. Boom, 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 boom. I think we're good. That's good enough. All right, so let's do this. What chart do you guys want to see? Did we even share this to Facebook yet? I'm tripping. Goodness gracious. What chart do you guys want to see? Go ahead and do that. Can somebody, I guess I can do it real quick. What's going on, everybody? I apologize. This is the first live stream on this computer. Still trying to get all the bugs kinked out. We could do pay. Miss Rhonda, good to see you. Good to see you. If you haven't hit that thumbs up button now, go ahead and do that. We got 86 people on the air. I will share this link to Facebook. I'm going to do one chart on 10X for Miss Rhonda. And then we will go ahead. Yeah, if anybody has dealt with you know, this Windows 10 update, I just literally did all these little live updates, you know, within the past 24 hours, and my whole operating system is just like frozen ridiculous now. So if anybody has dealt with this stuff and knows like how to fix it, if you can send me a link to that, that would be great. So I'm gonna run 2 contests today, one on Facebook. So there you go. You guys can go ahead and jump on and share that post. Boom, boom. And then the other one I'm gonna do on Twitter. And so for Twitter, listen, I don't want you to retweet me. You need to literally copy the link to the URL and tweet that with my hashtag BKCryptoTrader. Oh man, what the hell? Hold on. Boy. Right. So for all my people on Twitter, they was like, I never show y'all no love. So that's all you need to do is retweet this video link with hashtag BKCryptoTrader. And what I'm gonna do is just the same. I'm gonna go through and search for that hashtag and pick my winner through there. So you literally have to make a new tweet, copy that link, and send it over. Let's make sure that link worked first. Yeah, it works. Good. So there you go. That's 2 contests. We'll run through this chart, and then we'll come back and pick our winner for it. So all I'm going to do is just literally click on that hashtag, and that's going to take me to everybody that did it. Right? So my man V Bentley, you got a chance to win. It's just that easy to get paid. Good. So let's go ahead and knock this chart out. I will break this part of our video out. Thank you everybody for putting up with the patience. Again, I do have a new computer. This is the first live stream I've done on it, so it took me a little while to get everything, you know, figured out, and it's not perfect yet, but it's still a work in progress. Again, my screen name on TradingView is BDKelly1203. I have a link in the description and the #1 comment. It's called TV Charts, TradingView Charts. You just click on that link, come join me. I got 100,000 views, post charts, you know, every couple days, just to give you an insight and a heads up on what's moving next in the marketplace. Earlier on this call, I asked the people, you know, what chart they wanted to see, and the people have responded. Miss Rhonda, I believe it was, said she wanted to see pay. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to jump over. Oh, I need to sign in apparently. We'll go ahead and use our chart. Now, one thing you should note, if this is your first time viewing, you'll see we use a specific methodology. It's called the BOSS method. It is patented intellectual property that I own exclusively. If you're a business, you may not replicate it. If you're a person, I give it to you for free. It works quite well. And I do have a playlist put together for you to use it, called Chart Like a Boss. So if you're new to the channel, just type in Chart Like a Boss right there on top of YouTube, and you will see all the videos I put together walking you through every step you need to make money in the markets. I believe we did on Misigo. This was one of the charts I said for the fair weather coins. You know, if you want to make money in a downturn, this is one of them. This coin is going to be very good going into the spring. So let's do this. We'll go ahead and cut off our 21. And we will type in PAY, pay 10x. What is going on with this chart? Here we go. So again, guys, I'm using a 4-hour chart. We have 3 simple moving averages. The white is a 7-day moving average. The blue is a 77, and the columns are a 231. What we'll find with any cycle is that the 231 basically gives us the long-term energy of that chart. And when that thing goes to sleep like that, that means it's ready to start another cycle. If the audio is low, I'll try to talk a little bit louder. Again, this is a new computer. All of the bugs are not worked out. Thank you for being patient. So what do we see with pay right here? Let's bring this down a little bit. We see that this thing is simply, you know, going to sleep. That's good. When I say going to sleep, I mean the volume has disappeared, but guess what else has disappeared? The volatility has also disappeared. appeared, right? So while, you know, a lot of people, you know, were paying top dollar, almost $20 a coin to buy pay back in, you know, August, September. Nowadays you can get it for less than $2. And I think this is a pretty solid pickup for any portfolio. The reason it's a good pickup, number one, you know, because I talked with that man, Julian Hosp, and I understand firsthand how, number one, how brilliant he is. Number two, how valuable his business model is for cryptocurrency. He is essentially the gateway for mass adoption and mass patronage through mass transactions. He is almost like PayPal for crypto, right? If you know anything about, you know, building a commerce, building an economy, a global economy, PayPal was magnificent in making the internet scalable, because I can send money to anybody, anywhere in the world, anytime, and all they needed was an email address. And that's what 10x does. Other coins do it too, but I think he has a little bit of a first mover's advantage, and he has a pretty good app functioning on the blockchain right now. You know, granted, they've run into some problems with regulation and some of the big banks wanting to block them out, but you know, that's just the struggles of being a startup. But even given that, I think this thing is a decent pickup down here under, you know, 22, and we'll see why in a second, right? So what I'm going to do now is, because this thing has basically had so little of action, right? We'll jump in down here. I want to zoom in on this box right here, right? And so what I'm going to look for, I want to get as much information as I can inside this yellow box right there. And people in the chat are asking about the Boss Method indicator. You can download my method for free on TradingView. All you do is you click that little sine wave, and in that little chat box you type in BK, right? So that's the ultimate BK moving average. Just click that button. 1,200 people use it already. This is one of the most popular trading methods on TradingView, one of the most successful as well. But what we're going to look for, we're going to try to figure out what's happening inside this box, what basically, you know, went wrong with pay in the past 2 months. In order to do that, I'm going to jump down to a 77-minute candle, because the 4-hour didn't tell us that much. So now we break it down to a 1 hour. I use the 77 as my 1 hour, and this gives us a little bit more information. What we have are, again, 3 parts to any given cycle: breakout, breakdown, flatline, right? What comes next? Breakout. When do we expect that to happen? Let's see. If we use our cyclic lines right here, for those of you getting started, this is the cyclic line tool. It's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows down right there. Bam, bam. I put a little star by it, and it just adds it to this little palette down here. So you don't have to always look for it every single time you want to use it. What I'm going to do is place a cyclic line from this intersection right there, where that trend started, to that intersection right there, where we broke down at. You see that? It's very, very easy, you guys. And I can highlight it with a circle. The feed is choppy because Microsoft 10 sucks. I updated to it. You can just Google Microsoft 10 lagging processor, and a lot of people have this problem. It's something they did in their software. It's not something wrong with my computer. This is a brand new machine. But essentially, when you update to Microsoft 10, this is one of the problems that you have. So in the next couple days, I will be downgrading to Microsoft 7, and this problem should be avoided. So those are the 2 points that I used: breakout, breakdown, flatline. In addition to that, we can see that from those sign lines, there are 3 energy cycles that are forming: positive energy cycle, breakout; negative energy cycle, breakdown; and then our neutral energy cycle flatline. And just like I said right here, we expect this energy to return into the market to see some major gains inside this chart. Keep in mind, this is a 77, so it's not going to be a full reversal, but this is actually where you want to buy because you want to beat the market. You don't want to buy something after, you know, everybody's bought it and, you know, it's at a premium. You want to buy it when nobody's thinking about it, nobody's talking about it, but guess what? You have all of the incentive given that it just complete a major cycle, right? If we do a Fibonacci on this thing, we can put it there and put it there. Right? And guess what? We're right inside of where we want to be, right between the 382 and the 618. I call that the money zone. When you can buy inside that money zone, you have the best probability to get a return back up to that 168. This is the most profitable part of the chart to buy in. So for the short term, I think pay is an amazing pickup, you know, and we should have some profit here going into the early part of March, if not for sure. Right around there, right? So all in all, you know, just from the 50 to the 1.0 on that Fibonacci scale, we could be looking at about 40% in about 600 hours, which is, let's see, it keeps showing me bars. I want days. How many days is that? 33 days.